My wife loves cats, and we have had a lot of cat boxes over the years. In this video, I want to share the best cat litter box setup that I have ever seen. We are using a cat litter box cabinet with a robot cat litter box inside. I love the technology, especially when it cleans the cat litter box for you. We have had a lot of problems with cat litter boxes over the years. We were so relieved when we finally found a solution to the dreaded mess and horrible smell. To make matters worse, we had a real big problem at my mother-in-law's house. She was getting too old to clean her cat litter box. She would fall down a lot and couldn't bend down to clean up the cat litter box anymore. We were all able to help out for a while, but eventually her Parkinson's disease got to the point that she had to move into an assisted living home. That place wasn't cheap. They charged extra for everything. My mother-in-law was paying an extra $100 a month for the caregivers to feed her cat every day. They were really nice. They would even help her give her cat its thyroid medicine. But the one thing they wouldn't do is clean the cat litter box. They said it was against company policy, plus many of the caregivers were superstitious, and some of them were even afraid of cats. My wife went to see her mom every week and clean the cat box. I went over there every other week to help out too. But it was an hour-and-a-half round trip and sometimes 3 hours with rush hour traffic, so it wasn't something we could do every day. Cleaning a cat box 1 or 2 days a week just isn't enough. A cat box should be cleaned every day to prevent the spread of bacteria. A dirty cat box can cause a lot of problems for pets and people. I am not even going to try to pronounce all the bacteria that can be found in a dirty cat litter box. Here's just a few of them to watch out for. This is a parasite that can cause bleeding, vomiting, and stomach cramps. Then there's roundworms that can lead to vision damage, wheezing, and abdominal cramping. Most people have heard that pregnant women shouldn't clean the cat litter box. This parasite is a danger to women and can cause birth defects. It can also cause flu-like symptoms, seizures, blurred vision, and even lung problems similar to tuberculosis. This is just a few of the problems a dirty cat box can cause. No wonder they wouldn't clean the cat litter box at the assisted living home. They said it was against their company policy. That makes sense now with all the potential dangers in a cat litter box. So yeah, cat litter boxes are no joke. The best way to prevent the spread of all this crazy stuff is to clean your cat litter box every day and wash your hands really good when you're done. Remember, don't touch your face or your mouth while cleaning a cat litter box. Some gloves would probably be a good idea too. Having a couple of cat litter boxes can also help, especially if you have multiple cats. If you are not comfortable cleaning your cat litter box, contact a trained professional. To solve the biggest cat litter box problem we ever faced, my wife did a lot of research and discovered the ScoopFree original automatic self-cleaning cat litter box by PetSafe. It has a health counter so you can monitor how many times your cat is using their litter box. Plus, it holds a 4.5-pound disposable litter tray. There is a disposable litter tray under the cat box and you just throw it away every week. How awesome is that? Plus, it uses premium blue crystal cat litter. This stuff really keeps the dust down. This thing is truly amazing, but isn't cheap. It's $238 on Amazon, plus the litter can cost over $20 a box. But in comparison to paying someone to clean your cat litter box every day, the ScoopFree litter box can actually save you a lot of money. It can cost you hundreds of dollars a month to have somebody clean your cat litter box every day. So even when you add up the litter costs, this was a cheaper solution for my mother-in-law's escalating cat litter box problem. The ScoopFree cat litter box is so convenient that we bought one for our cat too. This isn't a sponsored video. We bought these PetSafe ScoopFree cat litter boxes with our own money. I do have an Amazon affiliate link in the description if you want to order one for your cat. If you use the affiliate link in the description, I will get a small referral fee from Amazon at no extra charge to you. So thank you for that. It also helps keep the mess and the smell down if you have the cat litter box in a cabinet. I have a video in the description on how I modified this cabinet to fit the cat litter box inside it. I have another video about what to do when the cat litter gets piled up and this thing stops working. The PetSafe ScoopFree cat litter box is great when it works, but can have some issues, and you may need to check it a couple times a week, which can add up if you have to drive over to a relative's house or pay someone to check on it. I just wanted you to know that as nice as this thing is, it's not 100% perfect. But still, even with a few of its problems, this ScoopFree cat litter box is awesome. Not only do we love it, but our cat loves it too. It works so good, we have it right next to our treadmill. It has 5x better odor control and 99% less dust. We aren't the only ones who love it. There are over 13,000 5-star reviews on Amazon. PetSafe says, let the litter box do the work so you can spend more quality time with your cat. Click on the Amazon affiliate link in the description so that you can spend more quality time with your cat too. Or watch this video here if you want more information on the PetSafe ScoopFree cat litter box.